Hello, today I will be showing you how to use the lightning effect in CapCut PC. I think this effect is really cool for edits, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Effects tab at the top left. Now, click on the Video Effects drop-down menu. Now scroll down until you find the lightning crack effect. From here, drag the effect to your timeline, or directly put it on top of the video you want the effect to show on. Once the effect is in your timeline, you can edit the effect to make it look how you want it. The twist adjustment doesn't do much, so I would just leave it. The filters adjustment affects how much light and glow is around the lightning. The speed adjustment affects how much time is between each lightning bolt. And lastly, the stickers adjustment basically adjusts how visible the lightning is, or its opacity. My personnel settings for this effects is twist 100, filters 80, speed 65, and stickers 50. But it's totally up to you, and how you like the effect on your video. One last cool trick is that if you click off the effect in your timeline and select your video, under the Basics tab, scroll down to Blend. Turn it on, and change the mode to Hard Light, and keep the opacity at 100. This makes it so that the lighting matches the lightning effect and the areas it's coming from. Well, hopefully this tutorial is helpful, and if it is, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.